Hello, grade 1. How are you doing? I hope you're doing great. In the previous video, we discussed about comparing length. In this video, we're going to talk about how to measure lengths of objects using other objects. So get yourselves ready, for we are about to begin our discussion. We are now in lesson 10.2, and this lesson is about measuring length. As what I've said a while ago, our goal for today's lesson is in order for you to be able to measure the lengths of objects using other objects. These objects can be paper clips, can be popsicle sticks, can be erasers, or other objects available at home. So it depends. You can also use pencils, ball pens. It's up to you, whichever objects are available at home. Let's have example number 1. Ken uses craft sticks to measure the length of a table. How long is the table? So look at the picture. We have a picture of a table, and this person is Ken. And let's see if Ken is measuring the length of the table properly. Here we go. The first thing we're going to do is to check if the first stick touches the end of the table. Look at this. This is the first stick, and it touches the end of the table. It means Ken is doing this correctly. Ken is measuring the table correctly. Okay? Next is we are going to count the number of sticks he uses. Let's count the number of sticks Ken used to measure the length of the table. Here we go. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. There are 12 craft sticks used. Therefore, we can say that the length of the table is about 12 craft sticks. I'm just going to emphasize the word about. When we say about, it means it's not exactly equal to. The length of the table is not exactly equal to 12 craft sticks. Why? Look at the last stick. Did it touch the end of the table? Look at this. Did it touch the end of the table? The answer is no. The last stick did not touch the end of the table. Meaning to say, the table is a little bit longer than 12 craft sticks. Meaning to say that table is not exactly 12 craft sticks long. That's why we just say the length of the table is about 12 craft sticks. Okay? And whenever we use non-standard units, when I say non-standard units, I'm talking about popsicle sticks, I'm talking about craft sticks, I'm talking about erasers and other objects. Those are non-standard units. Whenever we use them, we don't usually get exact length. That's why we have to use the word about. Okay? So let's have some exercises about measuring length. Let's have letter A. In letter A, there is a ruler And the ruler is measured, the length of the ruler is measured using some pencils. So what we're going to do is we're just going to count the number of pencils in order to determine or to find the length of the ruler. So we have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The length of the ruler is about 6 pencils. Okay? Let's have this airplane. Let's see how long this airplane is going to be. And the object used to measure the length is paper clip. Let's count the number of paper clips used. We have 1, 2, 3, and 4. The length of the toy rocket is about 4 paper clips. I'm sorry, this is not an airplane pala. This is a toy rocket. Okay? But for me, this is an airplane. Let's have letter C. Okay, for letter C, we're going to measure the length of the pen using straws. Okay, let's count the number of straws. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. The length of the pen is about 5 straws. Okay? And then grade 1, the length of an object changes depending on what object you used in measuring its length. For example, in letter C, if we're going to use straws, there are about 5 straws. What about if we are going to use paper clips? Do you think we're still going to get 5 paper clips here? I don't think so. So I will leave it to you. Why not try or get a pen or a ball pen and use paper clips to measure its length? And you just tell me your answer when we have our Zoom classes. Okay, let's have the next slide. The next slide is about measuring length in units. And here's the problem. Mary uses paper clips to measure the length of her dictionary. This is Mary, and this is the dictionary. The dictionary is on a table. Okay? And there's something that you need to take note, grade 1. You have to take note that each paper clip stands for 1 unit. It means if there's only 1 paper clip, it's 1 unit. If there are 10 paper clips, it's 10 units, just like that. Okay? So let's count how many paper clips there are on the dictionary. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 paper clips. So the length of Mary's dictionary is about 5 paper clips. Therefore, we can say that her dictionary is about 5 units long. So instead of using the word paper clips, we're going to use units. So 5 paper clips is the same as 5 units. Okay? Let's have some exercises. I think there are only 2 exercises here. Let's start with number 1. Tom uses straws to measure the length of his cupboard. This is a cupboard. Note that each straw stands for 1 unit. So let's count the number of straws. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 straws, therefore the length of his cupboard is about 6 units, not straws anymore. Okay, because we are measuring lengths here in units. Next, number 2, use 20 paper clips to make a chain like this. Oh, actually, you are supposed to do this, but just do this if you have time and if you have a lot of paper clips. Okay? So this is the chain already, and let's count if there are 20 of them. Let's count if there are 20 paper clips here. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. There are 20 paper clips, and one paper clip stands for 1 unit. Therefore, the length of the chain is 20 units. That's it, grade 1, and I hope that you learned something from the video. If you want to have some exercises, just find some objects around you. Okay, look around you. Look for objects like your book and try to measure the length of your book using paper clips, erasers, or any object available at home. Okay, so that's it, and I'll see you during our Zoom classes. Bye-bye.